Hello lovely people, this is Georgina. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing and clicking on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make simple homemade cough syrup. And these are the ingredients needed. You're going to need ginger, grains of saline, cloves, cardamom, star anise, and some honey. All this spice contains nutrients in grains of saline, for instance. It has protein, it has vitamins, it has folic acid. You can check on the internet and you'll find out more benefits of the grains of saline. The ginger, the cloves, cardamom, star anise, they are all antioxidants that helps fight against bad bacteria. It helps you to stop coughing. I remember when I was a kid, my mommy was doing this. Anytime we start coughing, she would give me ginger and then just a little bit of sugar, and then I'll chew, and then within some few minutes, I'll stop coughing. Chop the ginger into smaller pieces. Make sure your ginger is washed and clean. When done, put it in your saucepan. Add in the grains of saline, cloves, cardamom, star anise, and some water. This could stay in the fridge for about a week or more because of the spices, so it could stay about a week or more. Give this a try and trust me, it's going to help you a lot. Let this boil slowly for about an hour, or the water has reduced and you feel more of the spices. As you can see, the water has reduced a bit. I'm going to let it cook more or less for about 10 to 15 minutes off the fire and add in the honey. Finally, the water has reduced and you feel more of the spice and everything. At this point, add in the honey. And 2 tablespoons of caramelized sugar, which is optional. So you can use only honey, or you can add in normal sugar, normal sugar. I just want to darken the color, that's why I added in caramelized sugar. When done, off the fire and let it sit from 2 to 4 hours. By then it has absorbed the spice and everything. It has marinated, and you can start using it for your kid. And trust me, I'm not a doctor though, but then it helps a lot. The cough syrup has seated for some hours. At this point, sieve it. That's what you're looking for. This is a little sanitized bottle that I'm going to pour inside. little mess. It's okay. Make sure your bottle is sanitized. Close it and you can keep this in the fridge for about a week or more. Just look at it. Wow. I hope you give this remedy a try. If you like this remedy, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to leave suggestions. Comment in the comment section below. See you in my next video. I'm giving this to my son and then I'll take mine later. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching once again. Hey, wait. Mm. Moana.